Hello, hi to my unique base. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be with you guys today. Okay, today I'll be making a very fast one. This one is called super whitening exfoliating lotion. You can also call it exfoliating super whitening lotion. This lotion is basically meant for those that have very tough skin, okay, and don't ever use this lotion in the morning, please. This lotion is meant to be used only at night. Use only at night. I'm going to be using basically natural ingredients to make the super whitening exfoliating lotion. All right, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Please click the like button and also comment on the down below. All right, okay, I'll be using the super whitening lotion. This super whitening lotion, I made this lotion. If you want to see the video where I made this lotion, box down below, okay, so you could click it and watch it. All right, I'll be using my AHA, okay, glycolic acid, rose hip oil. I'll be using my bow oil. Bow oil is very good for scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, aging skin, and dehydrated skin. And I'll also be using my lactic acid, and I'm using a 90% lactic acid. Okay, guys, let's go there. All right. The first thing is for me to empty my super whitening lotion. Okay. I'll just empty the whole thing in the jar. Put everything in the jar. This is a very simple recipe. As long as you have the lotion to make it, is very simple. In case you do not have you do not have this super whitening lotion that I made, you can also combine your own lotion, okay, but don't expect to have the results of the same person that uses the super whitening lotion. All right, so I'll be adding my bow oil, and I'll be using 1 tablespoon of my bow oil. 1 tablespoon. I'll be adding my rose hip oil, and I'll be using just a teaspoon of my rose hip oil. Okay. I'll also be adding my AHA, and I'll also be using a teaspoon of my AHA. Okay. Now I'll be adding my glycolic acid. I'll be using a teaspoon for my glycolic acid. Okay. And I'll finally add my lactic acid. I'll also be using a teaspoon of my lactic acid. Cool. Okay, at this point, I'll mix the whole thing together. If you're making a larger batch, then you have to use the whisk to properly mix together. Okay, but because this is just 8 ounces, Okay, so at this point I'll just put the whole thing back into my container. Okay, cool. So guys, this is now a super whitening exfoliating lotion. A quick one, guys. Like I told you, I'm using glycolic acid and lactic acid, and I'm using a 70% level of glycolic acid and a 90% level of for my lactic acid. Okay, if you have not really tried the 70% of glycolic acid and the 90% on your skin, I'll prefer you to go a bit lower. Okay, start from lower levels and you can possibly climb up, or you can also do a patch test like I said. And for sensitive skin, this is not a lotion for sensitive skin. Okay, it is basically for people that has very tough hard skin, and it's mostly used at night. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. This is the end of my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Please click the like button and also leave your comments down below. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. See you again next time. I'm signing out at Unique Skin.